Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a timed screenshot on your MacBook. It's very simple. There are three buttons you need to press. The buttons are Shift, uh, Command number 5. Shift, Command number 5. Just press them simultaneously. You get this button up. Now, if you wish, you can choose the areas that you want to print, or you want to take the screenshot of. Let's say I wanted to take screenshot of this mobile screen. Now I've got it. So now, in order to pick how many the timer, just click on options, which is right below there. Now you've got this timer. You have all these options. What we intend to do, let us set this to 5. It's already on 5 seconds, right? If you want to, you can change it to 10 seconds. If you want to, you can set it back to none. But let's keep it at 5 seconds. And then let's go on and press capture. Just pay attention and see the timer reading. That's it. We have taken a timed screenshot on our MacBook. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.